No one ever parked in those 2 parking spaces again, except the delivery man. Problem solved, because everyone understands the performance contract. Now, here's another little quirk, point of information. Somebody impounds your car. You parked it where it wasn't supposed to be parked, and they towed it, put it in an impound lot. And the guy wants some $250 for towing and $100 a day for storage. Well, anybody that's in possession of your vehicle that doesn't have title to it is renting your vehicle. So you send him a true bill for renting your automobile for as long as he's had it. If you want to go down to the local courthouse, you can pull up a lawsuit by Avis Rent-A-Car or Hertz Rent-A-Car, copy it, and sue the tow truck company. Or if a police officer orders a tow truck company to remove your vehicle from the highway and he won't give it back to you, send him a true bill for for rent-a-car. Your car will be back in 1 day, maybe a couple hours. Works every time. Just a little plug there. The fraud that takes place here is profound with the courthouses and the courts. And people say we're in court and the judge says, this is Judge Wasilewski, he says, David, after he took away my children in 1980, I went to trial 65 consecutive times, 2 weeks apart, under what's called a writ of de novo. Now, this is a pronoun, adverb, verb. But if you put for the writ of de novo, then this becomes a 5, a 6, a 7, a 5, a 6, and a 7. This is French, but de means the, in novo, it would then become a fact. So I filed for the writ of the de novo. Now what that means is if you violate equality, that's discrimination, that's a crime. 1964 Civil Rights Act violation. So for the writ of de novo is your ticket to get a free trial for anything. I don't care what it is. They cannot move forward on any topic. They want to foreclose your house, and they use adverb verb. They didn't give you equal protection of the law. That's a prepositional phrase. For the protection of the law using the correct parse syntax grammar. Therefore, you can sue for a writ of de novo just for the be correct on the grammar. It doesn't matter if you got a mortgage or a deed of trust. Indiana uses the terminology mortgage. California uses the terminology deed of trust. Deed is a pronoun, of is an adverb, making trust a verb. The word mortgage, by it stands alone on top of your document, is called a pronoun. There's no prepositional phrase. If I hold up this object, you see a pen. In Spanish, it's scribola. And if I hold this object about 5,000 languages, I'll get 5,000 different sounding effects to what it is. Does 2 plus 2 equal 4? How many of you think 2 plus 2 equals 4? All right, just all's fair. Did you hear what I said?